First of all, you need to install a Django REST framework. Format of installation. If you install Django REST framework, if you want to go with it, just click on here. Okay. Go to code, find out the terminal, click on here, and this is the Visual Studio Code. This is the terminal section. Open a new terminal. Okay. I have already opened. Then type pip install Django REST framework. Then Django REST framework will be installed here. After that, go to your settings.py. So if you do not know how to create a new project, just follow this instruction. First one, second one, and third one, and fourth one. The first one is go to terminals, then type this command. Startup project, give your startup project name. My project name is project, and go to your project, typing cd project. Okay. After that, type python manager file, startup API1 application 1. Okay. After that, then go to settings.py, find out the install app, then add app1, which I have created before, and this is the app1. So go to code, and this is the project name. Click on here, go to settings, find out the install apps. This is the app1 which I have already created, and I have installed a REST framework. So you need to define here REST framework. Okay, now close it. Again, create another API. Okay, name is API. How to create an API for project? Just follow this line. Okay, Python manager file startup API. Okay, then API will be created dynamically. Okay, now go to your code. So first of all, you need to create a database model because I want to display all the information from database as like this. There are three columns. Okay, first one is ID, second one is name, and third one is date, which is automatically created. Okay, name the given information, and ID is the primary key that will create it automatically. Okay, and these are all the information which will be displayed from my database. Okay, now first of all, you need to create a database model. So go to your code, find out the model from your project. Click on project. This is the project name. Find out. Sorry, and this is the application one purpose, and find out the models.py. Okay, and I have created a model whose name is item, and there are two columns. First one is name, which is the type of character field, and the maximum length will be 50. Okay, and the date, which is the date and time format, and I have added auto now at 2 because it will added the date dynamically. Okay, name and created which is date, but I don't declare ID because ID is primary key. Okay, so this is the model name whose name is item. uh, Now create a new API using this command. Python manage.py startup API. Before that, you need to go to your project. Okay, to your code, go to serializer.py. Okay, so first of all, you need to import your serializers from REST framework. Okay, from REST framework, import serializer, and then again import your model name from application one API one models. Okay, so find out API one. This is the API one, and this is the model.py where I have already created an item model. Okay, now go to APIs views.py. Okay. Um, I want to display all the information from my database. So the API name and the method is get. Okay, and I have created a function whose function name is get data that returns all the information from item module. Okay, and this is the items variables and serializer variable. Now you need to import the item serializer variable. Okay, import item serializer variable, and you need to import item from app one models. Okay, and this is the get data function. Then go to your urls.py. Okay. Now assign your URL patterns. This is the API URL patterns. Empty and views that get data, which is the function of your API get data, and this is the view section of which is the views.py. Okay, the view and the function name is get data that is added to urls dot sorry this that is used to add. Okay, get data, and I have mm, given a name whose name is API, which will be discussed later. Okay, now this is the views.py. I have declared also. This is the urls.py, and I have to set URL patterns. Okay, and this is the serializer.py where I have declared an class whose name is item serializers. Okay, that returns all the information as a fields, and the model name is item. Okay, so before creating class you need to import model. Okay, uh, item. Okay, and import your serializer from REST framework, and this is the all information for API. Then go to your main application API. So you need to go your urls.py. So find out your urls.py. This is the urls.py. So you need to add URL patterns. Look at this. Okay, I have declare a module. The name is API, and I have included the API URLs because API URLs is that another API. Okay, so you need to input it in the main API. So it means that this is the API, and the URL will be inside it from API. Okay, now go to APIs, and this is the API, and go to URLs. That means that URS. Okay. Then go to your home.html. The home.html. Look at here. This is the link section. Uh, the link name is get API and link URL I have used API. What is this? And this is the name I have declared before. So how to find this name API? So you need to go to your API URLs. Okay, API URLs see here, and the name is API. Okay, so this represents the this line. Okay, now after that, your project. Okay, type Python manage.py run server. Wait few seconds. Click on this following. The login from which I have created before, but I want to go to my get API section, and this is the get API link. Click on here. Okay. And the information inherited from my database. Okay. There are three columns: ID, name, date, and time. ID 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this is the simple get API method. If you want to add data into your database using post API. So if you don't understand anything, just go to your YouTube's then type the problem that you have faced, like how to install Django REST framework. Okay. REST framework. And there are many YouTube you will found. Okay, then follow someone. So thank you. And if you don't understand my language because English is not my native language, I am trying to solve this problem. Okay, so pray for me and thank you everybody.